Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the import limit for Podio. I've been getting a lot of questions about this lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to make sure you understand what Podio is. Podio is a cloud-based work management platform that helps you to organize your projects, tasks, and files. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used for a variety of purposes. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get into the meat of this video. What is the import limit for Podio? The import limit for Podio is 100,000 rows per item. This means that you can import a file with up to 100,000 rows of data into a single Podio item. However, there are a few things to keep in mind about this limit. The import limit is for the total number of rows in the file, not the number of rows per item. So, if you have a file with 10,000 rows, you can import it into 10 Podio items with 1,000 rows each. The import limit does not apply to attachments. You can import files of any size as attachments. The import limit is not enforced by Podio. You can import files with more than 100,000 rows, but you may experience performance issues. How can I get around the import limit? If you need to import a file with more than 100,000 rows, there are a few things you can do. Split the file into multiple files. Use the Podio API to import the file. Contact Podio support for assistance. Splitting the file into multiple files. This is the easiest way to get around the import limit. Simply split your large file into multiple smaller files, each with no more than 100,000 rows. You can then import each file into Podio separately. Using the Podio API. The Podio API allows you to import data into Podio programmatically. This can be a good option if you need to import a large amount of data or if you need to automate the import process. Contacting Podio support. If you're having trouble importing a large file, you can contact Podio support for assistance. They may be able to help you find a solution. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for importing data into Podio. Make sure your data is clean and formatted correctly before you import it. Use the Podio import wizard to import your data. If you're importing a large file, be patient. It may take some time to import. I hope this video has helped you to understand the import limit for Podio. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Podio tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Podio tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.